Starting from scratch may seem daunting, but with the right strategies, you can create a strong financial foundation in 2025. Whether you're looking to save, invest, or increase your income, this step-by-step guide will help you build wealth and secure your financial future. 1. Set clear financial goals. Wealth building starts with a plan. Define your short-term and long-term goals, e.g., buy a house, retire early. Assign timelines and monetary targets for each goal. Break them into manageable milestones to track your progress. 2. Create a budget that works for you. A budget is the backbone of financial success. Use the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Leverage budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to stay on track. Regularly review and adjust your budget as income or expenses change. 3. Build an emergency fund. Protect your finances from unexpected setbacks. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small, set aside a fixed amount each paycheck. Keep it in a high-yield savings account for easy access and growth. 4. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt can hinder wealth-building efforts. Focus on paying off credit card balances and personal loans with high interest rates. Use strategies like the avalanche method, tackling high-interest debt first, or the snowball method, paying off smaller balances first. Avoid accumulating new debt by living within your means. 5. Maximize your income potential. Increase your earning power to accelerate wealth building. Pursue side hustles like freelancing, tutoring, or e-commerce. Develop new skills in high-demand areas like tech, AI, or digital marketing. Negotiate raises or seek higher-paying job opportunities. 6. Start investing early. Investing is key to growing your wealth over time. Begin with low-cost index funds or ETFs for diversified exposure. Use robo-advisors or beginner-friendly platforms like Robinhood or Acorns. Contribute regularly to retirement accounts, such as a 401k or IRA, and take advantage of employer matches. 7. Automate your finances. Consistency is critical for wealth building. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts. Automate bill payments to avoid late fees and penalties. Automation ensures you prioritize saving before spending. 8. Focus on passive income streams. Diversify your income sources to build wealth faster. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or REITs for consistent returns. Create digital products like ebooks or online courses that generate royalties. Explore peer-to-peer lending or rental income opportunities. 9. Track and adjust your progress. Regularly monitor your financial plan to ensure it aligns with your goals. Use tracking tools to measure your net worth and investment performance. Adjust strategies based on changes in the economy or personal circumstances. Celebrate milestones to stay motivated. 10. Stay disciplined and patient. Wealth building is a long-term game. Avoid impulsive financial decisions, such as speculative investments. Stay the course during market fluctuations and economic downturns. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to significant results over time. Building wealth from scratch in 2025 is achievable with discipline, planning, and smart financial decisions. By setting goals, managing your budget, and prioritizing investments, you can create a roadmap to financial freedom. The earlier you start, the sooner you'll see your wealth grow.